video I am going to share about how to enable new user registration in Joomla 5. By default, Joomla is disabled for new user registration in front-end page, so we have to enable it to allow new user registration. Now if I go to content and site modules, there are three modules: login, main menu, footer. And if I go to front end page, there you can see the login module, but you can see the registration link here. By default, Joomla has this main menu and this login module enabled, but there is no registration link for this login in this login module. So if a new user come to this website, the user can only log in. The user cannot create new account because Joomla therefore is disable new user registration, so we have to enable it. Now I cannot go to registration page. I can only log in by my existing account. I cannot create new account. So to create new account, we have to enable registration. So to enable the registration, go to user manage, or you can directly go to setting global configuration and go to user. In this users tab, there in the user option, there you can see by default allow user registration is selected as no, so it is not allow new user registration. So if I change to yes and save this, now new user registration is enabled. So if I refresh my front end page, there you can see there is a link, create a new account. If I click on this, it will reach to registration page. Here, new user registration. So by default it has only this two links: forgot your password and forgot your username. When I enable this allow user registration, it generate a link for registration page. If I select no and save this and refresh again, there is no link for new registration. So we have to come to this user option, this system, and in this user tab we have to allow user registration. Allow and save this and refresh. Now you can see there is a link for create an account, so that the user can go to this link and create a new account in this website. So by default it has selected as no, we have to change to yes. And there you can customize many other things for login and registration of user, but we have successfully allowed user registration, and now the user can create new account. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for your attention.